Hello guys, today's video, I'll show you how to make this cinematic movie title inside the Premiere Pro. So first select the type tool, then type your text inside the program window. Open the Essential Graphics panel to edit this title. Then click on Edit, and mark all this text, and here I'm using Futura Bold font. Increase the text size and decrease the text landing as much as you want. Now make it center and close the Essential Graphics panel. Then move the text layer to the first frame and extend the text layer duration. Now move over to the Effects panel and search for Alpha Adjust. Apply this effect to the text layer. Then go to the Effect Controls tab. Under the Alpha Adjust effect, enable Invert Alpha. Now under the Opacity, click on 4-point Polygon Mask and enable Invert it. Then over the Program window, click on the top left point, hold on Shift key and select the bottom point. Then just drag it to the left. Again, select this top point, hold on Shift key, and select the bottom point. Then drag it to the right. Set the mask feather 0. Now we are going to animate the mask expansion. So decrease the mask expansion until the full text appear. Now move the time indicator around 1 second and make a keyframe on mask expansion. Then move 2 or 3 seconds to the right and increase the mask expansion as much as you want. So that's it, and it's pretty easy to do. If you enjoyed this animation, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.